What is up, everyone? My name is Exotic Longhorn for the win, and today I am bringing you some infected gameplay. My final score is 20-1, I think. Wait, let me fix my fan real fast. It's making some noise, but my final score is 21, and in this infected gameplay, I'm gonna kind of talk about give you some advice to do well in infected because I have done okay. I think a couple Moabs. I think I've only gotten like one, maybe two. But I normally can do pretty good. 20-1 it's good and it helps your KD definitely. If you know how to play infected, it will boost up your KD. But so I kind of thought we're thinking about a few tips. So the first tip would be, since all infected has a throwing knife now, do not camp. And if you're gonna camp like how I just was, behind those barrels, that would be the only camping I would do, because you want it to be as hard as possible for the infected to be able to kill you, because they're throwing knives. If you're infected and you're in like a corner or something, or hiding, they could easily just chunk it and and kill you. So I mean, really, you have to make sure where you're hiding at is definitely a factor. And also, make sure like you stay in like a group, not too big of a group. When I play, I like going with like 2 to 3 people. You'll see in a minute this guy, one of my teammates comes and he guards this side and I guard the back side. When I start getting on my kill streak, he lets me get some of them, but mainly we're just trying to work together, and that's a really helpful strategy to work as a team, because you might not think about it, but it can definitely help a ton if you have like a team. And but you don't want to run with a big group, because as soon as the big group starts, as soon as like 2 or 3 die, then they're all going to come back there and you're done. And so really, also another tip is, notice the scoreboard when it starts flipping to 16 to it's let me see what the score is right now. Right now it is 10-6. So whenever it's like it starts out 17-1, and when it keeps on, it goes like 16 to 15-3. Start realizing, and when it starts getting like 10-6 like it is now, start becoming a little more cautious. Because if you think about it, and there's like one guy by himself, the 6 guys could easily take out one guy. I don't know if he's gonna be able to guard them all. So whenever the tables start turning, I guess that would be a right analogy. Make sure you realize and you get prepared, and you and your teammates that you around are y'all are self-conscious of the scoreboard, so you don't it's not end up like 4-12 or 4-14 and you get in some trouble, because you don't want that. You want to do good. But if you play infected right, you can boost your KD up. I mean, I've got my KD up in like 5 games, or no, I take that back. Some games I'm infected, I've got it up like point 0.2, or 0.02. I got it over 2, so I mean, really just, it just depends on how you play, and you'll see how I end up dying at the end. It's so dumb. I was so mad, and one of my friends actually killed me. Oh man, sorry I sound like so. Today I was playing basketball and stuff, and now I'm just kind of exhausted. Oh, okay, yeah, so I'm good, and you'll see how I die in a minute. I was kind of mad because I was like, no, I was 4 off the Moab, and watch, you'll see, I get this kill right. Here comes my friend, bah, and I was like, no, I thought I knifed. But yeah, if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. It would help tremendously, and I hope you enjoy too. I don't know. I'm kind of chilling. So peace.